guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Mint Mongoose for you. So Mint Mongoose is a nice inexpensive jewelry subscription. It's I think $12 a month and you get some fun stuff. Earrings, rings, bracelets, etc. And they also have a larger version that's more expensive if you would prefer that. And I always get a Werther's Original. I've seen other people get different candies, but I always get Werther's Original. Cute envelope. It's rather flat though. I wonder what's in here. Oh, a ring. This is cute. It's like rose gold with little wavy swirls. See, cute, right? Little swirls. I like it. See, and then the back has just a little gap, so. Okay, and then what is in the little tissue paper? I see some earrings and a necklace. Let's open the earrings. They're little rose gold teardrops. These are interesting. I thought that they were going to have like a gem or something on them. Nope. Okay, can you see their little, when I hold them together, it looks inappropriate. I'm just gonna hold up one. It's like a little teardrop shape and it's just solid rose gold. It's like a matte, like brushed nickel is what I think of, but it's rose gold, it's not nickel. But you know where it's brushed so it's not super shiny, it's kind of dulled. And then that necklace matches the earrings, so it's just a larger teardrop. All right, let me try this on. Cute, right? Let me zoom in. Okay, so there's the necklace. See, I like it. Simple, but pretty, and then it matches the little earrings. Very cute. And then of course the ring. Okay, so as always, fun, cute little stuff from Mint Mongoose. I will put all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. It is definitely a fun monthly subscription for, you know, kind of cutesy type jewelry. You know, sometimes it's more delicate like this, sometimes it's more extravagant and fun. It varies and I always love it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!